Our today's video is all about solving system of linear equation using substitution. Using substitution, we need to solve one of the equations for one of the variables in terms of the other. For example, solve one of the equation for x in terms of y, or we need to solve one of the equations for y in terms of x. So let's go to our first example. 2x minus 3y equals to 1 and 2x plus y equals to 13. So here we need to solve the second equation for y since y has a coefficient of 1 to avoid rational expression. So 2x plus y equals to 13, the second equation. So transpose positive 2x to the right side. It will become y equals to 13 minus 2x. The next is substitute the expressions of y in the other equation and solve for x. So let's substitute the expression of y here. 2x minus 3. So y 13 minus 2x equals to 1. The next is let's distribute negative 3 to 13 minus 2x. Negative 3 times 13, negative 39. Negative 3 times negative 2x, positive 6x. Then copy positive 1. The next is combine 2x and 6x. 2x plus 6x, 8x. Then transpose negative 39 to the right side, so it will become 1 plus 39. The next is combine 1 and 39. 1 plus 39, 40. The next is divide both sides by 8. So 8x divided by 8x. Then 40 divided by 8, positive 5. Next, substitute the value of x equals to 5 to y equals to 13 minus 2x. So y equals to 13 minus 2, x is 5. Then multiply negative 2 and 5. Negative 2 times 5, negative 10. Then next, subtract 13 minus 10 equals to 3. So the value of y equals to 3 and the value of x equals to 5. We can check that if our answer is correct by substituting the value of x and y to first and second equations. It means both equations. If satisfy both the equation, automatic our answer is correct. Second example, x minus y equals to 4 and 3x minus 2y equals to 18. Here, let's solve the first equation for x. So x minus y equals to 4. So transpose negative y, it will become x plus 4. X equals to 4 plus y. Next is let's substitute the expression for x in the other equation and solve for y. So it means we need to substitute this expression to second equation. So substitute 3x minus 2y equals to 18. 3 times x is 4 plus y minus 2y equals to 18. Distribute 3. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times y, 3y. Then copy negative 2y equals to 18. Then let's combine 3y and negative 2y. 3y minus 2y, y. Then copy positive 12 and 18. The next is transpose positive 12 to the right side. It will become y equals to 18 minus 12. And next is subtract 18 minus 12, so 6. Then after this, substitute the value of y equals to 6 to x equals to 4 plus y. So x equals to 4 plus 6. Then 4 plus 6 is 10. So it means the values of x is 10 and the value of y equals to 6. Let's go to our third example. 3x plus 4y equals to 14 and 2x minus 6y equals to 5. So here, no variable as a coefficient of 1. So we will need to solve for one variable with the fraction or rational expression. But let's go to use the second equation, then solve the equation for x. Let's solve for x. So we need to transpose negative 6y. It will become positive 6y. Then next is divide both sides by 2. 2x divided by 2, x, and 5 divided by 2 not divisible. So automatic, the expression for x is 5 plus 6y all over 2. The next is let's substitute these two other equation of first equation. Substitute the expression for x to this equation. 3 times 5 plus 6y all over 2, then copy positive 4y, then equals to 14. Multiply 3 to numerator. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6y, 18y. Then just copy the denominator, which is 2, and copy positive 4y and equals to 14. To remove the denominator, let's multiply this by 2. So let's distribute this to 15 plus 18y all over 2 times 2, then plus 4y times 2 equals to 14 times 2. So just cancel the denominator and 2 and copy the numerator, which is 15 plus 18y, and multiply 4y and 2. 4y times 2, 8y. 14 times 2, 28. The next is combine 18y and 8y. 18y plus 8y, 26y. Next is transpose positive 15, so it will become negative 15. Then combine 28 and negative 15. 28 minus 15, 13. Next is divide both sides by 26. 26y divided by 26y, and 13 divided by 26, not divisible, but we can reduce to lowest term, or we can reduce to this to lowest term, that is equivalent to 1/2. The next, substitute this value of y to x equals to 5 plus 6y all over 2. So let's substitute 5 plus 6, the value of y, 1/2 all over 2. The next is multiply 6 to numerator. 6 times 1, 6, then divided by 2, equivalent to 3. Then add the numerator, 5 plus 3, 8, over, copy the denominator, 2, then divide 8 divided by 2, equivalent to 4. So the value of x equals to 4, then the value of y equals to 1/2. That's all for this video, and thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.